What was the meaning of this so steady and self-respecting, this small Herculean labor? I knew not. I came to love my rows, my beans, though so many more than I wanted. What shall I learn of beans, or beans of me? I cherish them, I hoe them. Early and late I have an eye to them. And this is my day's work. My auxiliaries are the dews and rains which water this dry soil. And what fertility is in the soil itself, which for the most part is lean and effete. My enemies are worms, cool days, and most of all, woodchucks. The last have nibbled for me 1/4 of an acre clean. But what right had I to oust Johnswort and the rest, and break up their ancient herb garden? Soon, however, the remaining beans will be too tough for them, and go forward to meet new foes. When I was 4 years old, as I well remember, I was brought from Boston to this my native town, through these very woods and this field to the pond, and it is one of the oldest scenes stamped on my memory.
Won't you ring, oh hammer, hammer ring? Won't you ring, oh hammer, hammer ring? Broke the hell out my hammer, hammer ring. Broke the hell out my hammer, hammer ring. Got the hammering in the live.
As I drew a still fresher soil about the rows with my hand, I disturbed the ashes of unchronicled nations who in primeval years lived under these heavens, and the small implements of woe and hunting were brought to the light of this modern day. I will not plant beans and corn with so much industry another summer, but such seeds, if the seed is not lost, as sincerity, truth, simplicity, faith, innocence, and the like, and see if they will not grow in the soil, even with less toil and manurance, and sustain me, for surely it has not been exhausted for these crops.